Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to track an eBay package. In case you are selling or buying, this video is totally for you. So here we have this kind of small article for customer services from eBay that talks about exactly how we could track our package. Since I didn't buy or sell anything on eBay, so I can't really show you a real proof of it, but here it is the fully detailed explanation from eBay themselves. First of all, to track your order, if you are a seller, and basically if your seller is using like a this is in case you were a buyer in this case, this is in case you were a buyer. So if your seller is using a track shipping service, you will be able to view courier information as well as your order's current location. If your item isn't sent with tracking, you will be able to see the expected delivery date for your package. So this is necessary, which is the seller is using a tracked shipping service, which is basically most of the services that are added to eBay, like USPS, UPS, I think, something like that. So these kinds of services, they have tracking shipping service, so you could literally have a map in front of you as UI and go throughout of it and see where your actual product is at. In case they don't use it, in case you don't have the UI, then you will just have some text showing you the estimated arrival date. Same thing goes vice versa. In case you are a seller and you are using this service, then you can see it. In case you didn't use them, then you simply are willing to just have the text that are telling you when are the estimated dates for the arrival of the product to your buyer or to your client. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.